Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. Alright, so guys, today we have this anti-static tempered glass screen protector, and of course this one is for the iPhone and it is for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and of course this is one we're gonna do today, and I'll do a install of the screen protector for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. All right, so this is how to install a screen protector, and of course I'll be also introducing the anti-static screen protector. All right, so it's a two-in-one video. Installation of the screen protector, and it can be used in general to guide you as to installing a screen protector on your iPhone 17 Pro series, and of course a quick review and testing of this particular one, that is the anti-static tempered glass screen protector. All right, so we're going to get straight into it. Let's look at some of the features of this screen protector. It has big curve, not sure what that means. It's oil resistant, it's high definition, and of course it is anti-static, meaning static that would discharge through your hands into the screen. And of course it is, I think, as well scratch resistant, so it's non-breaking edges, high definition, and high transparency. It's wear resistance, it's subvert the tradition, just the right distance. I'm just reading what's here. And of course it is heat resistant, anti-static, electro-coated. It is oleophobic, meaning it resists oils, anti-scratch, anti-glare. So there's a lot of promises here. You can pause and probably read some of them if you can actually see them. And of course the features are here. It also says it's HD or high definition. All right, so if I can find this online, I'll link it. And I have no idea if this is good or not. This is the one that I picked up with the phone. All right, so we go ahead and we're gonna just look at what it is. All right, so what you get inside of the box, you get the screen protector. So we're gonna place that there, and there should be some stuff here. All right, so we have dry and wet, which is the wipes. This is always necessary, so we're going to place that over there, and let's make sure nothing else is in here. Ooh. And we also have the stickers, and they are to remove dust and dust absorber and lint. All right, very nice. All right, so that's it for the case. All right, so we're going to remove the screen protector itself. All right, so one thing I like about this, very nice presentation. All right, so it's very nice. All right, so it's very well put together. We're going to place that there, and this is everything that comes with the kit. All right, now let's get straight to the application. Now, all right, so one of the first things you want to do when you're applying any screen protector is to make sure that the environment is very clean. All right, so you have these. So one is a dust absorber. Make sure your hands are clean or washed, so go ahead and wash your hands. So make sure that there is no dust. Get a clean environment. Even if the phone seems clean, it is not necessarily clean. And of course, dust absorber. You have the guided stickers, and of course we have the wet dry wipes. All right, even if the screen still doesn't look that way, you can make sure by checking out what's here to know what everything is. All right, so we're gonna get this right here. All right, so it says 16 Pro Max, so this is not the 17, so let's double check the information. All right, so it seems it works just the same. On the box it says for 17 Pro Max SD black, and of course it says here 16 Pro Max. So what I think is that the same thing works, so they just simply added that it's for the 16 Pro Max. All right, so that's kind of understandable, but of course this is just a test anyway. So All right, so we're gonna remove this. We're gonna start with the wet, which is 1, then 2. All right, you see them 1 and 2, so start with wet. And of course, these are all the same usually. So simply go ahead, remove this. All right, so what you wanna do here is to clean your screen. All right, so you're gonna go ahead and wipe. I find that if you do it this way, very efficient versus this way. All right, so straight lines up and down. And this is to clean the screen. Don't worry, for the iPhone 17, and this is a 17 Pro Max, there's the infamous iPhone 17 Pro wobble. All right, so do this a few times back and forth. All right, once you're finished, go ahead and place this away. Next, you're gonna do the dry. So go ahead as well. Remove the dry. All right. With the dry, we're just simply going to go ahead. We're going to wipe. All right. So you're going to do the same up and down. All right. I'm going to do a few more times. All right, so you're gonna check for any form of lint. Once it's perfect, you should be good. If you notice any dust, you'll use the dust remover and basically take it off, all right? Or just stick it to the screen. It's gonna prevent any bubbles beneath the screen protector. And the guides can help you to lay it on, all right? Now, this didn't come with a guided rail, so we'll have to do this the classic way. All right, so here we are. This peels off. All right, so it's actually clear. We're gonna get it here. Make sure you identify the top from the bottom, and I'll have to do this very carefully. All right, so once it goes down, allow it to naturally float down. You're gonna get the dry here. You're gonna allow it to settle in. Now there are bubbles here. Allow them to naturally float away. All right, this one is gone, and it's kind of hard to see. Try not to lift. And one flaw with this screen protector is they should have included the edge guides so as not to cause you to misalign. All right, so we're gonna double check everything. All right, we're gonna finish off now by rubbing it down or to set it in place. We're gonna massage out any bubbles. If there's any bubbles, go ahead, you can hold the phone in hand. We're gonna get out these bubbles. Now, the trick to get rid of these bubbles is to massage them up. All right, so the installation is completed. Just a few notes. Make sure that one, you massage out the sections and the stubborn sections. If it's not coming out by doing it this way, try doing it this way. All right, so some stubborn sections will give slight issues, so keep on trying and take your time. All right, so we are finished and you can inspect the job. All right, just a few things I don't like straight off the bat is that they placed a black edging around the screen. Not a good idea. It should have been clear all the way up to the edges. So of course it doesn't look bad. I give ease of installation, I give it like a 7 out of 10. Don't like the black borders, and of course there was this one stubborn spot here that leaves a slight, just negligible, I'm not sure what it is, but it just wasn't coming out, but it's just a minor blip. All right, so otherwise it's okay. All right, so 7, at best 8, so I'll just put it as a 7. So 7 out of 10 for the ease of installation. As to how it works and performs, I'm not sure as yet. The long-term review will give an idea as to that, and you can ask direct questions. Seeing I have direct experience with it, I can actually answer that. All right, like the packaging and the look, however, not sure as to what the design is, so I'm not going to say anything. This is just the installation, so 7 or 8 out of 10 for the installation. The guide would have made it an easy 9. So if there was a guide to place it on so you couldn't mess it up, that would have made it easily 9, 10. So that's the only reason why it's 7. And of course, otherwise everything is okay. It is not bad. And performance, as to how it performs, I'll do the full-on review later on, and I'll tell you what's happening with it, or whether or not you should get rid of this, or what works and what doesn't work. So that's it for the installation process. And of course, this is more of an install and a full-on review and a unboxing of the screen protector itself. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.